Hi friends, I just wanted to share something special that I'm doing next month in November. I'm going to do a winter bundle. So in November there are 5 Sundays and I'm going to do all 5 Sundays with a different project, and they'll all be 2 hours long. So it'll be a reduced rate of $50 for each one of those 5 sessions. The first session will have a winter gnome, and that's going to be really fun. I really enjoyed doing that. The next one in November will be this super cute little baby penguin. And then the third one is going to be this holiday polar bear. Who doesn't need a holiday polar bear? Oh, so cute. And then after that, we're gonna do this cardinal. Yes, you can't be cheered without a cardinal, right? Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Sweet little cardinal. Yeah, let me get him in the light. There we go. Now you can see he has 2 eyes. All right, and then on the 5th Sunday, we are going to do Frosty's little sibling. So that ought to be a lot of fun. Everybody needs a little cuddly. Yeah. Come felt with me.